Resetting the cellular data network settings on your iPhone 15 can often help resolve issues with your mobile data connection. This is a handy troubleshooting step if you're facing cellular issues like slow speeds or connection drops. Here's how it's done. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone by tapping on the gear icon from the home screen. Once you're in the Settings menu, tap on Cellular. This will take you to a screen where you can manage your cellular data settings. Here, we're going to look for a specific option. Tap on Cellular Data Network. On the next screen, you'll see a list of options related to your cellular data connection. Scroll all the way down to the bottom. There, you'll find a button that says Reset Settings. Tap on that. A warning message will appear, letting you know that resetting the settings will erase all your cellular data network settings. If you're sure you want to proceed, tap on Reset. And that's it! You've successfully reset your cellular data network settings on your iPhone 15. If you're still facing problems after resetting, you may want to try other troubleshooting steps or contact your carrier for further assistance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tech tips and tutorials from this channel. Thanks for watching.